babies really come from? I'm confused, Drew. Oh, thanks a lot, Moby. Alright, I guess we'll start with eggs. All humans begin life as a single fertilized egg. Women have egg cells in their ovaries. Ovaries are a part of the female reproductive system. These eggs are released about once a month when a woman has her period. Sperm cells are released from the penis during sexual intercourse. The penis and testicles are the male reproductive organs. A woman gets pregnant when one of her egg cells is fertilized by a male sperm cell. That means that the egg cell and sperm cell have joined together to make a whole new kind of cell. What happens next is kind of strange. The fertilized cell divides into 2 cells, then 4 cells, and 8 cells, and so on. It becomes a little cluster. This cluster travels through the woman's reproductive system. It passes through the fallopian tubes into a chamber called the uterus. The cluster of cells plants itself in the lining of the uterus. The outer layer of cells forms a covering called the placenta, and the inner layer becomes the embryo. This is where the waiting starts. After 8 weeks, the embryo begins to grow organs. Now it's called a fetus. Somewhere around 3 months of pregnancy, the fetus will be big enough that a mother's tummy starts to stick out. But it takes about 9 months of growth for that fetus to be ready to leave the mother's body. During these 9 months, the fetus floats around in a protective housing called the amniotic sac and lives off of nutrients from the mother's body. The umbilical cord connects the fetus to the placenta that we talked about earlier. Nutrients travel from the mother to the fetus through this cord. When the baby is finally born, a doctor or nurse will cut the umbilical cord so that the baby can live on its own. Your belly button is what's left of your umbilical cord. What are you talking about? Robots can't give birth. Oh, Cassie and Rita have been getting lots of questions about pregnancy. They asked me to mention that you can't generally get pregnant without having sexual intercourse. There's no chance of becoming pregnant from a swimming pool or by kissing or whatever. Huh? Is that a baby? Oh, cute.